Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Ford Fiesta steering wheel. Before we begin, safety is paramount. First, disconnect your car's negative battery terminal using a 10mm socket. It is crucial to wait at least 5 to 30 minutes after disconnecting the battery. This allows the airbag system's reserve power to fully deplete, preventing any accidental deployment. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off before proceeding. Now, let's move on to the airbag. Turn your steering wheel 90 degrees to one side to expose the release holes on the back. Using a suitable tool, like a flathead screwdriver or a Torx bit, push into these holes to disengage the internal retaining springs. Rotate the wheel 180 degrees and repeat this action on the opposite side. Once released, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel and carefully disconnect its electrical connectors. With the airbag safely disconnected, it's time to remove the main steering wheel nut. First, ensure your steering wheel and front wheels are perfectly straight. It's a good idea to mark the steering wheel's position on the shaft with chalk or a marker to ensure proper alignment during reinstallation. Next, use a 24mm socket to loosen the large central nut. This nut can be quite tight, so you might need a breaker bar. Once loose, remove the nut entirely. Finally, for the removal, with the nut off, firmly pull the steering wheel towards you. It should slide off the spline steering shaft. Be sure to carefully guide any remaining wires through the wheel's opening. For reinstallation, align your marks, push the wheel back on, and thread the central nut by hand. Then, tighten it to the manufacturer's specification, typically around 33 to 45 Nm or 24 to 33 foot-pounds for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.